everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are in the kitchen today. Today we are going to make peanut butter chocolate banana oatmeal muffins. These I have gone in and changed the brown sugar to the Truvia brown sugar, which changed the points. And I changed the light peanut butter to the whipped peanut butter, which also makes it less points. And then I changed the oats. So I think we're gonna get into this recipe. This is my first kitchen video, so be nice. Hopefully I do okay and make you guys proud, and maybe you'll try out this recipe. So I'm gonna bring you down. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients you need, everything you need to do to make these muffins. Hang tight. Okay, so I am going to give you the ingredients. First and foremost, you will need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of liquid egg whites, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a half a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 2 medium mashed bananas, and you definitely want the bananas nice and ripe, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of oats. They don't suggest to use quick oats, so just regular oats. I got these in Amish country, so this old bag was 99 cents. And then you're gonna need a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. Those, of course, are optional. I have omitted the chocolate chips and added strawberries, frozen blueberries. So I guess it's up to you which you would rather have. I've even substituted the mini chocolate chips for just plain cocoa. So, I mean, that would work too. So, you have your ingredients, you know what goes in it. You will be baking these in the oven, 350 for 22 to 24 minutes, and this makes 12 muffins. And they're, I want to say medium-sized muffins. They're not the big gigantic ones. They're not the, although you could make the mini muffins, but I normally just make the regular sized muffins. So I'm going to get my ingredients around and get them set up, and I will be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna mash up our bananas, and those are 2 medium bananas, and you want to mash them up. These muffins are just, they're amazing. I can't say enough about these muffins, but they are so yummy. So after you get your bananas mashed up, you're gonna add the rest of your wet ingredients. You want to add all the wet ingredients first and then the dry ingredients after. It's just the way, I guess, every recipe is normally. So now we need a half a cup, I believe, of a third a cup of Greek yogurt. And I will list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box, so that if you guys want to make these, you can make them and see how you like them. I love them. They're beneficial to your health. They're very good for you. And there's the third cup. And I just go in and get some yogurt. Dump it right in there. And that out of the way. Then we're gonna add our 1 egg, our 2 tablespoons of egg whites, vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, and I use the Jif whipped peanut butter. Oh, it's so good. Not as much fat in it as regular peanut butter, although regular peanut butter tastes much better. But this is still good, and it serves a purpose, and you want to eat healthy. So you definitely, you know, have to make some changes in your life. So then you're just gonna beat this together, break your egg up, mix it together. I know it looks like, yeah, looks yucky now, but trust me, it's so yummy. And you just combine all your ingredients, your wet ingredients together. I'm trying to do it so you guys can see. It does look like, I don't know, baby poop maybe. Then you're gonna take your baking powder, your baking soda, and your brown sugar, dump that in. Mix that together as well. Ooh, that's really loud. And then our last ingredient that we have to add, besides our chocolate chips, is the old-fashioned oats. As soon as I can break into the bag, we will be okay. It just does not want me to open it. Come on. We got stuff to do here. There we go. Okay, and you're going to need, oh, where is it? 2 cups of this. 2 cups of your quick oats. Well, this is quick oats. So hopefully I can pour this without dumping more than I need, because you know how that goes. You're trying to... There we go. Got our oats in there. Close this bag up so it does not make a mess. And then you just mix all your ingredients together. Now you notice there is no flour in this recipe. The oats act as the flour. Put some chocolate chips in there. And that's set about three tablespoons, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it because go. Mix it in. That should be good enough. Bring it back up for a second. So I'm gonna get these in a pan and I will get them in the oven, and we will come back when they are all done. See you in a bit. Okay, here they are. Whoa, almost lost it. They are done. These muffins are 2 smart points apiece. They definitely satisfy a sweet tooth, if you like sweet things. And they took about 25 minutes in the oven at 350. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next Wednesday with another Weight Watchers video. Have a good night.